Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we are gonna learn how to change controller type in CarX Street. To change your controller type in CarX Street, launch open the CarX Street game on your device, and once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the pause button at the top left and then click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for Controls at the top, and under Control Type, select the Control Type option you want to change to. The available control types are Wheels, Buttons, Accelerometer, and Controller. Choose the different control type you want for your game, and once you do that, head back to your game, continue your game, and you will see your controller type changed. That is how you easily change your control type in CarX Street. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.